Hello and welcome to BTEC Applied Law. Applied Law is a great course for any student who's wanting to study law but is concerned about sitting exams at the end of a 2-year period of teaching. So BTEC Law differs very much to A-level law in terms of assessment and assessment only. The content of both of the courses is very similar. You will cover almost identical topics, but how you are assessed is quite different. So it is still following a modular system where you are assessed at the end of a particular unit. So it's very much appreciated by those students who suffer from exam stress, anxiety, or are worried about whether they'll be able to remember everything they've learned over the previous 2 years. It's very much broken down, and some students prefer that or prefer to study BTEC Applied Law alongside other A-levels and do it simply to balance their workload. So they might do some A-levels knowing they'll have exams at the end, but in order to reduce that work at the end of the 2 years, they will choose to study BTEC Law alongside. In terms of where it leads to, it is comparable with A-level law. Many of our students go on to study law degrees at a range of universities, but they also go on to study many other courses or careers, usually something to do with business. Many BTEC law students are also business students, but also fashion, journalism. We've had people going to study architecture in the past, maths degrees. The options really are endless. Sports students, for example, might study law alongside sport. Where they go on to in terms of university very much depends on what their other subjects are. So many will study law, really enjoy it and decide to pursue that at university. And BTEC Law will allow you to do that. But obviously, if they are a sport or a business student or an English student, and that is their preferred subject, they will go on and study those as well. So the options really are open to BTEC Law students. So in the remainder of this presentation, which I'll leave you to work your way through, is an overview of how the course will be assessed. And if you have any questions at all about anything on these slides and would prefer or need further information, then please feel free to drop in and speak to us on the Open Evening live questioning event. Thank you.